more work than any man.
Come on, fat boy.
Yeah. Watch out, fool.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch this,
fat
watch
boy,
this.
look at. Look who's here. It's Running Man. What, you think you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, pork chop. Hey, wait up.
Ah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
Man, you stink!
Okay, that's enough. Get out of here. Here he goes, people. Listen to this. This is really funny. Get out of here. Going back in his hole.
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up. There's another 2 baller tags in the hood. You go get them, and I'll keep the engine running.
Get back over here. Come on.
I know you, homie.
Officer in need of assistance. This one's mine. Please don't kill. Go Street family, suck ass. Come on, I can taste your blood.
Come on, let's cruise into ballers territory. CJ, you asshole. CJ, I warned your ass. CJ, I'm gonna give you a lesson. You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood. What the fuck? Get that fool!
Come on, damn it. So loco. I love you,
Carl, quick, get in! Get us back to the hood, CJ.
Oh, yo.
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kind of short, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.
Hey, baby bump, right over here.